Alright, been working on the Crockett. Trying to animate the main deck gun. That's the innards, drive, ESC, and main deck gun there, all that, and that's the superstructure. Finally put the antennas on there. Alright, let's see if we can get the see if we can figure out which one it is here. Pretty well. Got the servo in there going up to the pivot. That's all for now. Alright, so getting the main deck gun here. So I put in a pivot on that. Put that down there, and then I used hole saw by hand to cut a hole in the deck here. So that now gives me a nice little pivot. I still have to paint that up, clean it up a little more. Then down in there is the pivot rod that you can sort of see. So that gets everything moving. And then the next project, I don't think I have enough channels on my radio, but it'd be nice to get the anti-aircraft, put a servo on that so it would move also. That would be good. And forgot to say that the pivot point goes through, and then I made a little riser for the keel, so it goes into a hole in the keel. That way. And then you've got the plug. Goes back on top there. Sort of cork it up, and I still need to fill in a little bit around it.